What we're seeing is the construction of the first antennas for the SKA Observatory low-frequency telescope here in Western Australia. SKA-Low here in Australia, SKA-Mid in South Africa, will revolutionise our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Astronomers have been dreaming of this place for decades, and it's fantastic we're now here.
It takes a lot of work to get to this point. It's just so exciting to have our field techs actually on site, working, putting antennas together, and getting ready to actually install them to become part of the telescope. I'm over the moon that the Wadri make up over 70% of the team. One of the field tech's grandfathers told me that once the Wadri technicians get back on the land will begin to bloom. And I just thought that was one of the most beautiful things.
My ancestors are from here, and being out here is closer than I've ever been with my heritage. Yeah, I love it. It's very exciting, and I'm very interested to see where this will head in the future.
It's just a glimpse of what we'll see a year from now when they're the experts on this telescope.
I have learned a lot. Everyone's happy to depart their knowledge. Everyone wants to tell you about their field of expertise. So I may be a field tech, but I've learned about every aspect of the antenna and where it's happening and going. We're in a beautiful part of the country. You don't get many places like this anymore, so to be able to work somewhere remote that is still so quintessentially Australian is incredible. I'm so lucky.